Trump. Donald Trump there has in fact gone ahead and reposted. He's reposted. This is a repost of a letter by radio host Michael Savage, who referred to India and China and other nations as hellholes in his racist rant, calling for changes as far as the birthright citizenship law is concerned in the United States. Savage claimed that people from two Asian nations come to the United States to drop a baby in the 9th month, and the law turns them into instant US citizens. We have my colleague Vishal Vivek joining us in order to get us the latest on this. Vishal, of course, this is something that Donald Trump has reposted, and this is, of course, after he's gone ahead and said that it is, the United States, which in fact has the highest number. No other country in the world offers birthright citizenship as does the United States.
Yes, and this is clearly the longest post that Donald Trump has posted ever on Truth Social, if I'm not wrong, because this you can barely even read what he's posted here. If I can just quote him and say that he's talked about almost all the immigrants and said that we all know that these arguments should not be included in the abstract of a courtroom. This is really not about the law. This is about public opinion. So he's talking about public opinion and stating that many people come from corners of the globe and they sort of try to take over the US. Is what he means is that he has reposted this letter and said that and referred to India and some of the other nations as quote-unquote hellholes. This is a huge escalation if it's really from Trump, and we'll have to see what kind of response will be generated from the Indian side. And he's also gone on to post and sort of say that a baby here becomes an instant citizen, and then they bring in their entire family from China or India or some other hellhole on the planet. That's exactly what he has posted on Truth Social, and Truth Social is the medium that he has chosen to give out many of these opinions across the globe, and we'll have to see what kind of ramifications are there as far as this statement is concerned.